Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best vacuums for carpets you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many vacuums for carpets and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each vacuums for carpets so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a vacuum for carpets. First, check the suction power because strong suction helps remove deep dirt and pet hair from thick carpet fibers. Next, look for adjustable height settings which let the vacuum glide smoothly over different carpet types without damaging them. Also, consider a vacuum with a motorized brush roll as it helps lift embedded dust and debris effectively. Filtration is another key factor. HEPA filters are great for trapping allergens and keeping the air clean. Don't forget to check the weight and maneuverability, especially if you have stairs or large carpeted areas. Lastly, think about the noise level, ease of maintenance, and included attachments for corners and edges. Choosing the right vacuum ensures your carpets stay clean and last longer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.